Again, kids, for hot cross buns, I've got a secret to tell you today. Hot cross buns, sing it with me. Tap the beat when we sing, ready, go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Now, we've been doing a lot of listening to this song and working on it, and we have discovered that in the beginning, hot cross buns, that the fourth beat, no sound. It's a beat with no sound. So in music, when we have a beat with no sound, we call it rest. And we don't say rest out loud, we say it in our brain because there can't be any sound, but we say it in our brain. So we can go with rhythms. Ta, 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 just like that. And when we have a rest, we tap our shoulders because it tells us that it doesn't make any sound, and then it gives us our little bit of a beat. So let's do the rhythms. Here we go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. But this time we should have done the rhythms instead of the words. So the tas and toddies. Ready, go. Ta, 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 ta. Toddy, 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 ta, ta, ta. Too easy. I'm gonna sing a phrase of a song that you know, and you have to go back with rhythms, including if there's a rest. Good luck. Naughty kitty cat, toddy, toddy, ta. You are very fat, toddy, toddy, ta. You have butter on your whiskers, toddy, 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 toddy. Naughty kitty cat, scat, toddy, toddy, ta, ta. Ooh, that one was a little tricky. Okay. This one. Bow, wow, wow, ta, ta, ta. Who staggered thou? Ta, toddy, ta. Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Toddy, 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 ta. Bow, wow, wow, ta, ta, ta. Too easy. One more. One more. All around the buttercup. Toddy, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3. Ta, ta, ta. If you want another friend, toddy, 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 ta. Just choose me. Ta, ta, ta. Super easy for you. So today we learned when we had a beat with no sound. Everyone say one beat, no sound. When we have one beat with no sound, we say rest, but in our brain. Next time I'll show you what it looks like.